Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset the Citizen Radio Control H820 watch or fix most of the issues that you might have to encounter using your watch. The first step is to make sure the watch is charged and the crown is pushed in all the way to the 0 position. Press and hold the upper right button for 10 seconds. Wait for all the hands and movements in the watch to stop completely to proceed to the next step. This may take about 1 or 2 minutes to finish. All the settings, for example the date window, the hands, should stop at a definite place. For example, all the hands should stop at midnight or vertically facing upward, the function hand facing Sunday, and the date hand between 31st and 1st are shown. So this is correct. Once all the movements stop, you should have on your watch what is shown on the left part of the screen, part A. But if you have different parameters like in part B, you need to fix your watch to show exactly what is shown on part A to be correct. Note that it can be only 1 or 2 of the circles of the green circle shown to be incorrect. Still you need to fix the watch. So you're gonna pull the crown to position 2 and then you're gonna turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to make sure the small dial, the secondary time zone dial, is facing, the hands of the small dial is facing midnight or vertically facing upwards. Once you have that set, press the upper right button 1 and now turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to set the date between 31st and 1. It has to be midway between 31st of the calendar and the 1st of the month. At the same time, you have to face the function hand towards Sunday, so it has to horizontally facing the right side of your watch. Once you have these two setting sets as shown, press the upper right button once and now turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to show the time at midnight on the watch. So both hands have to face the 12 mark, so vertically facing upwards, and at the same time the 12 24-hour dials on the left should also be vertically upwards as shown right now on my watch. Press the upper right button one more time and now turn the crown to face the second hand as well to the 12 mark, so vertically facing upwards. Push the crown back to the 0 position to finish and press the upper right button to go back to the normal setting. Now you need to set the time again. Please find a video below in the description box on how to set the time easily on this watch. Thank you.